Good morning, friends. Today topic is the cement. Cement, introduced by the Joseph Espedin, 1824. Cement is a binding material, a substance used for the construction that set hardness and adherence together material to bind together. Okay, and one more thing is there. Cement manufacturing temperature is 1300 degrees to 1500 degrees. Generally is take for the 1400 centigrade. And grinding together, cement is grinding together calcareous and argillaceous material. Calcareous means limestone or chalk. Argillaceous means shale or clay. Generally, the cement manufacturing industries manufacturing time, gypsum is adding. That percentage of gypsum is 2 to 3% to prevent the flash setting. And one more thing, what is the method of cements manufacturing? Here two type of methods is there. One is the dry process, one is the wet process. What is the dry process and what is the wet process, and why, which process is used for the cement manufacturing industries in widely? Generally, dry process is widely used for the manufacturing industries, and the remaining dry process and wet process I will tell next class. Chemical composition of cement. So chemical composition of cement, CaO means lime. It's to control the strength and soundiness purpose used for the lime. And SiO2 means silica. Silica used for the giving the strength, and excess causing the slow setting. You require the slow setting, that time you can adding from the SiO2 little bit more. Al2O3 is the purpose is for quick setting, excess lower strength. You need from the quickly setting of the cement required, that time you can adding from the Al2O3 little bit more, automatically you got the quick setting and excess lower strength you got. And Fe2O3 means iron oxide. It's responsible for the color purpose. MgO is the magnesium is also used for the color and hardness purpose. Alkynes used for the excess causes of efflorescence and cracking purposes. And here you see how much percentage you can add. Generally lime means CaO 62%, the range is 62 to 67%. Silica 22%, the range is 17 to 25%. Aluminium 5%, generally range is 3 to 8%. Calcium sulfate 4%, generally range is 3 to 4%. Iron oxide also 3%, 3 to 4%. Magnesium 2%, the range is 1 to 3%. Sulfur 1%, the range is 1 to 3%. Alkynes 1%, 0.2 to 1%. So see here you can adding the total composition. Sum of the total composition is equal to 100% you required. And Bogue's component. Bogue's components. What are the Bogue's components is there? Generally here 4 is there. One is a Tricalcium Silicate, Dicalcium Silicate, Tricalcium aluminate, Tricalcium alumino-ferrite. Tricalcium Silicate formula is 3CaO-SiO2. 3CaO-SiO2 means 3 times of lime into silica. Abbreviative formula is C3S, and the percentage is 30 to 50% you can adding. Next, Dicalcium Silicate 2CaO-SiO2 C2S and 20 to 45%. Tricalcium aluminate 3CaO-Al2O3, and abbreviative formula is C3A, and percentage is 8 to 12%. Tricalcium alumino-ferrite, and formula is 4CaO, Al2O3, Fe2O3. Abbreviative formula is C4AF. Percentage, how much you can adding? 6 to 10%. Now you see C3S. C3S means tricalcium silicate. Tricalcium silicate, you got early strength but more heat of hydration is there. And C2S means dicalcium silicate. You got laterally strength but less heat of hydration is there. And one more thing, tricalcium aluminate. Tricalcium aluminate means initially you got the strength but very high heat of hydration is there. Tricalcium alumino-ferrite. Tricalcium alumino-ferrite C4AF hydrates rapidly. It does not contribute to the strength of concrete. The hydrates of C4AF show a comparatively higher resistance of sulfates attack than the hydrates of C3A. And one more two things is there here. Setting. What is a setting? Changing from fluid states to solid state, that is called as a setting. Hardening. What is a hardening? Gain of strength of a set of cement, that is called as a hardening. Objective questions. What are the objective questions here you can cover? Number 1, who is introducing the cement? Joseph Aspidin. What is the temperature of manufacturing industries? Cement manufacture 1300 to 1500 degrees. Grinding agencies. What are the grinding agencies is there? Calcareous and argillaceous. And calcareous means limestone or chalk. Argillaceous means shale or clay. And here one more two things is there objective questions. How much percentage of gypsum is adding in manufacturing industries? 2 to 3% because of flash setting, to prevent the flash setting. And which method is manufacturing industries widely used? Dry process. And here some chemical compositions is this, almost all those things is very important. CaO, SiO2, Al2O3, Fe2O3, MgO and alkynes. And what is the percentage of, I told now, what is the percentage of lime, silica, alumina, calcium sulfates and iron oxides and magnesium sulfates and alkanes. Just this also remember. And Bogue's components. Bogue's components generally is asking tricalcium silicate abbreviative formula. What is the tricalcium silicate abbreviative formula? C3S. Dicalcium silicate abbreviative formula C2S. Tricalcium aluminate C3A. Tricalcium aluminate C3A. Tricalcium alumino-ferrite C4AF. And how much percentage you can add in the Bogue's components also same thing. Please subscribe my channel for latest video purpose. Thank you.